sabihin.
Kim, thank you very much for the friendship. Alam kong hindi pa tayo ganun katagal naging magkaibigan. I think it was just like over 2 years pa lang tayong naging friends. Pero ibinigay mo lahat doon sa friendship natin. Ang maganda kasi kay Kim, punong-puno siya ng good vibes. She always sees situations with a silver lining. Parang kahit late na yung taping namin, parang hindi sis, kaya natin tapusin yan. Masaya tayo. Siya yung nagbibigay saya doon sa trabahong ginagawa namin. And we thank you for that. At very thoughtful si Kim. Magte-text yan, mag-I love you. So, thank you, Kim. And I wish you all the happiness in the world because you deserve to be happy.
Yes!
You deserve to be happy. Sa pamilya mo, di ba, you've been a very good provider with your friends. You've been a very good friend, Showtime family, very good member of this family. So, ikaw naman sana masuklian ng universe yung pagmamahal at kabutihan na ibinibigay mo sa mundo. So, Kim, I wish you all the best.